Biscuiteers. We are today making, this is a weighted balloon. As you can see, it will make noise. You take it, and it's really easy to make. All you need is a balloon and some leftover Halloween candy. And this is what you'll get. Today we'll be using any candy. Or any candy. But also you could use Gobstoppers, Skittles, M&Ms, or anything small enough to go inside. Yeah. We've already made 3 or 4. One of them's been popped accidentally. And don't ever pop this, but it's good if you want to smell some good air. Smell good air. Oh, but don't pop because the candy is disgusting. Yeah, they have a really explosive nature. But we'll tell you the first step. Well, you need these 2 materials, or today we're using these. This is right now in progress. Yes, and then we you open their pack or whatever you're gonna use. You have hopefully a bunch of Skittles, and then you start pushing them in like this. And then if they don't go in on first try, which this one did, you can just blow it up and it'll fall in. So this step takes a little bit. You can do 1 to 2 packs. Sometimes you can do a little less. We're gonna hyperlapse it though. Yeah. So see you in a bit. We had to leave Junior League. All right. See you in the more hyperlapse. Bye. Time to blow up the balloon. Now we're blowing up the balloon. Okay, now you just gotta have someone tie it or use a rubber band. Currently, our mom's driving, so I'm not gonna be able to tie it. I can try. I'm gonna try blowing up the balloon.
Tied.
Nice. Alright, we have the completed balloon right here. This one you can see the candy in. It's very disgusting. I would not recommend doing it like that one. Also, don't try and explode it. It's disgusting. Candy gets very disgusting, and it's disgusting to be. You don't really want to be able to see it. Cause let me see if I can find a bit. But that's how you do the weighted balloon. If you want to do a balloon challenge where you have to keep it in the air, if you want to make it really hard, that's what you do. And yeah, hope you enjoy it. Have fun with your balloon.